incredible. I just want to say thank you, and I'm super grateful to be a part of this this office and all that you've created here. You're an inspiration, and I love to work with you.
Yes, ditto what she said. Congratulations, Steve. We love you. Thank you for everything, and keep going up.
Hey Steve, happy 21st. Thank you so much for being so inspirational and always willing to share all of your real estate knowledge. Hi Steve.
Hey Steve.
So we just want to say congratulations on 21 years
Woo!
in real estate. Whoop whoop. I'm excited for you, and I'm so happy that I've been a pain in your ass for the last 2.
And me for the last, I don't know math, but since 2016. I'm so glad that we're here for you.
Yes.
For more that you're here for us, because,
It's true.
well,
Yep.
we probably would be driving your car.
I know. We're going to take it for a joyride, probably.
Because
Got
the
the
keys
keys.
are in it, and we're here, and, well, you're not, and so there's that.
Oh, that was a different set of keys. Here's this
We don't
keys.
know, but the car will start, and hopefully we win at casino night, because
Yeah.
we actually have the tickets.
Yep.
So there's that. But
well.
for real, thank you for putting up with us and always answering our questions. And Jen is glad that you're going to answer all her questions for the next 400 years.
Yep.
We love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Holy buckets, 21 years of helping people find houses, sell their houses, commercial deals. You are a big deal. Anyway, I just want to thank you for being just the best in the business, for continuing to lead us in a positive direction, looking out for our best interest, and just wanting us all to grow and succeed. You are the best broker and person and realtor I know, and I'm incredibly thankful to be by your side. Happy 21 years, boss.
Happy anniversary, boss. 21 years is a long time. Probably feels like you've been putting up with all of us for all of those 21 years, especially me. But I sure appreciate it. Everything you do has been, monumental in helping me get my feet under me, and I appreciate you so much and enjoy coming to work and seeing your smiling face every day. And just thank you so much for all that you do, and hopefully you just hang out for another 20 or so years, and can't wait to see just what you do and how you grow. And as always, I appreciate you. Congratulations, and thank you so much.
Hey Steve, I just want to congratulate you on your 21st year of being a realtor. I appreciate all the help you've given me in starting my new career. You're amazing to work with, and I also appreciate all the help you've given me in other areas of my life. So I hope you enjoy this day. Congrats.